Hey, what's up guys, Steve here. And you know what, hold on one second. Let's mute this guy. Also, I changed my wake word to echo, so that way it doesn't affect you guys. But anyway, let's get back into the video here. Yesterday, Amazon released its newest product, the Fire TV Cube. In its simplest form, this device is a combination of the Fire TV and the Echo Dot into one device. Let me show you guys what comes in the box. So I really like the way that Amazon packages its stuff. They waste no space at all, as you can see here with this product. Opening up the box, we see the Cube right away in its protective plastic. Next, we open up the tiny black box behind it, which has all of the cables nicely labeled. If we look here, we see the power adapter with a nice long cable with it. We have the IR extender cable, which will allow you to control the entertainment system if you have one. And last is the Ethernet adapter. This would plug into the USB in the back of the device, which is going to give you your highest speed and best quality of video. Well, here it is guys, the Fire TV Cube, also known as the fingerprint magnet. Also, this thing scratches like no other. Just like the Echo Dot, I'm sure there are going to be a ton of stylish cases for them, and I already can't wait to get one. On the top of the device, we have 8 microphones with far-field voice recognition and beamforming technology. Yeah, that sounds impressive. What does it mean? Essentially what it means is it picks out the dominant voice in the room and suppresses the surrounding noise, which allows the Cube to be more responsive. Also on top, we have 4 buttons. We have buttons for volume up and down, a button for mute, which allows you to mute the internal speakers, and we also have the action button. The action button can be used instead of the wake word, or it can also be used to reset the device. Now, if your TV's on, the Cube is going to use those speakers. However, if you don't have your TV on, there is a speaker on the bottom of the Cube that it will use as a default. This will allow you to get things like news, weather, sports scores without having to have everything on. If we flip it around the back, we see the micro USB, which is the connection for the network adapter. We've got a port for the IR extender cable, a port for your HDMI cable, which does not come with this device. Not sure why, maybe it was gonna make the box too big. And then lastly, a port for the power cable. Inside the device is a 1.5 gigahertz quad core processor and 16 gigs of internal storage, which is double what the Fire Stick and Fire TV have. Now, even though the selling point is hands-free, this still comes with a remote control. This is the same remote that comes with the Fire TV and Fire Stick and is mostly used for navigating through the settings and also logging into apps. In my opinion, the remote is a bit too basic. I wish I could point it at the TV and control a mouse pointer. I mean, the Nintendo Wii had this back in 2006. Why can't I have that on my Fire TV now? I don't know. Also, I wish it had a volume control. When it gets late at night and I want to turn the TV down, I don't want to be screaming across the room, "Turn it down!" Now this thing supports 4K Ultra HD with HDR10, which is amazing. Not even my TV supports that yet. Now through the Cube here, you can also watch live TV through the Sling app or the Hulu Live app, but keep in mind, you need to have a paid subscription with those. Netflix is another big player on this device. For example, if I say, Echo, play Arrested Development on Netflix.
Getting Arrested Development from Netflix.
Echo, stop. Even though it's not in season, I'm really excited to watch the NFL on this guy and then also the Red Zone. In addition to TV and movies, you can also search the App Store for games and also use your voice to control smart devices in your house. For example, I can display my Arlo cameras on the TV. Echo, show my front door.
Okay.
And just like that, I can request to see any of my Arlo cameras. I can also use the Cube to control lights in my house. Now, I did get denied to record in the master bedroom upstairs because it is too dirty, but I brought a lamp down from the room just to give you guys a demo. So, I can say, Echo, turn on the lights in the master bedroom. There you go. Echo, turn off the lights in the master bedroom. Easy as that. Let's get this guy out of here. Now, I've done a bunch of videos on smart home products using the Alexa app. And what you would do is you would open up the app and go to the smart home section. From there, you can create groups. Now with groups, you would create groups for rooms. I can do living room, garage, family room, kitchen, outdoors. And from there, I can control all the devices in that room by just saying the room. So I don't have to individually name this light bulb master bedroom light bulb. I can name it whatever I want, put it in a master bedroom group. So when I say turn off master bedroom lights, turn on master bedroom lights, it will affect everything in that room. and that can all be controlled through the Cube here. The Fire TV's biggest competitor are Apple TV and Roku. And while these are great devices, they don't do half the things that the Cube does here. So if you're still on the fence, let me tell you that this is a must-have product. If you just own a flat screen TV today, but want to expand your entertainment system or a future smart home system, this right here is the foundation for all of that. Amazon continues to add feature and function to all of their devices, so what may be a restriction today for the release probably won't be in the future. The Fire TV Cube is Amazon's new flagship device, so I'm excited to see what features are on the way. So if this video helped you guys out in any way, hit that like button below, it does mean a lot to me. Subscribe to the channel for more related content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.